Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best camera phones you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is a premium Android smartphone known for its advanced camera system and powerful features. It boasts a 6.8-inch Super AXA display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1344 by 2992. Powered by the Google Tensor G4 processor, it offers 16GB RAM and up to 1TB storage. The triple rear cameras, 50-megapixel primary, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, 48-megapixel telephoto, and a 42-megapixel front camera excel in low-light photography, video stabilization, and AI enhancements like super-resolution zoom and night sight video. Running on Android 14, it includes Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for durability, IP68 water resistance, 5060 mAh battery, fast charging, and 5G connectivity, making it a top-tier choice. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a premium flagship smartphone, excelling in performance, imaging, and design. It features a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, 1440 by 3120 resolution, HDR10+, and 2600 nits peak brightness. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, it offers 12GB RAM, 1TB storage, and top-tier graphics with the Adreno 750 GPU. The quad camera system includes a 200-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel telephoto, and TOF sensor, alongside a 12-megapixel front camera. With a 5000 mAh battery, 45-watt fast charging, S Pen integration, Android 14, IP68 rating, and 5G support, it's ideal for power users and photography enthusiasts. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is a flagship smartphone offering advanced imaging and a sleek design. It features a 6.8-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1260 by 2844 resolution. Powered by the HiSilicon Kirin 9010 processor, it provides 16GB RAM and up to 1TB storage. Its triple rear cameras, 50-megapixel main, 40-megapixel telephoto, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and 13-megapixel front camera deliver impressive photography. The 5200 mAh battery supports 100-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. Running on EMUI 14, it includes Kunlun Crystal Armor Glass for durability, IP68 water resistance, and 5G connectivity, making it a top-tier choice. The OnePlus 12 is a flagship smartphone delivering top-tier performance, a stunning display, and a versatile camera system. It features a 6.82-inch 2K LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 4500 nits peak brightness, ensuring smooth and vibrant visuals. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, it includes 16GB RAM and 512GB storage for seamless multitasking and ample space. Its triple camera system includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, 64-megapixel telephoto, and 48-megapixel ultra-wide, alongside a 32-megapixel front camera. Highlights include 8K video recording, 5400 mAh battery, 100-watt fast charging, Android 14, IP68 resistance, 5G connectivity, and Hasselblad camera enhancements. The iPhone 16 Pro is Apple's flagship smartphone, combining advanced technology with premium design. It features a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with 120Hz ProMotion and HDR support, powered by the AE18 Bionic chip for exceptional performance. With 8GB RAM and 1TB storage, it handles demanding tasks and large media libraries seamlessly. The triple camera system includes a 48-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 12-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, alongside a 12-megapixel true-depth front camera. Additional highlights include 4K Dolby Vision recording, a 4,323 mAh battery with 35-watt fast charging, titanium build, iOS 18, IP68 resistance, and 5G connectivity, ideal for power users and photography enthusiasts.